Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Ingredients: a cup of softened butter or margarine, 4 eggs, a cup and a half of regular flour, cup of regular sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to sift the baking soda and flour together. After creaming the butter, you're going to slowly add in that 1 cup of granulated sugar. Add each egg. There's 4 eggs, 1 at a time, until all 4 of the eggs are thoroughly incorporated. Slowly blend the wet and dry ingredients together. Pour the completed batter into your loaf pan, which has been sprayed with a PAM type of spray or lined with butter.